Hello my beautiful people, thank you for checking out another Hello Friendly Fox YouTube video, and today we're gonna open up the October 2021 Artsnacks box. Yes, it's Inktober time, and I've already started my Inktober because today is the second day of October, so let's see if I can get this in here. So here's what I've drawn so far: Crystal and Suit. I'm taking a simpler approach this year because it's a lot going on, and I'm just going to draw something quick for Inktober. But let's see what we got in the box today. Alright, so we have dum-dums, some ink, of course, Inktober. Menu. I see a brush. I hope there's no pencils in here, please. So today I'm using my phone because it's easier to set up, and I have my Zoom microphone recorder on a small rig attachment, so it's right in front of my mouth. What do we got? A paint marker and a pencil and a very fine line brush, HB. So first we have Kuretake-ZIG. Let me get this close, I can read it. Higashiyama Manga liner, $4 retail. Draw on any surface imaginable with the Kuretake-ZIG manga liner. The vivid metallic color is extremely opaque and waterproof when dry. So mine is a teal looking color, it looks like, or green. Extra fine. Liquid text. Professional acrylic ink. Ooh, look at this red. Wow. I really like this red. Rubine red. 30 milliliters. Experience pure, permanent color with liquid text professional acrylic ink. No dyes or fading here. Extremely fluid and waterproof, this ink dries quickly to a satin finish. High light fastness, easy for me to say, and permanence means your illustrations will last a lifetime. 20 new hues have recently been added to the color range. I got red. Nice. Winsor & Newton Professional Watercolor Synthetic Sable Brush. Retail $12.59 to $17.29. That's a pricey brush for Artsnacks. It's a staff favorite. After rigorous testing, Winsor & Newton has created the best blend of synthetic bristles to mimic natural sable hair. This unique blend allows color to flow evenly and consistently, producing flowing brush strokes. From its ergonomic handle to its excellent color carrying capacity, this brush is truly innovative. Wow, and I got a 0. Size 0. And last, Mitsubishi High Uni Pencil. I didn't know that Mitsubishi made pencils. Maybe because their cars are failing, they decided to make some pencils. Oh, 1887 they were established. Okay. That would be before cars. Pencil lovers, this one's for you. Widely considered one of the best pencils around, the Mitsubishi High Uni is beautiful inside and out. The graphite core is exceptionally smooth, resulting in rich, even lines, while the cedar body is coated in a glossy burgundy lacquer. Ooh, look at this burgundy. well, another pencil, but at least it's not mechanical because I like wooden pencils. Nice. I think the cat is stuck in the closet somewhere. Alright, so this is what I got in my Artsnacks box. Let's see what this tip looks like on here. Alright. It's pretty firm. We'll figure out what to draw with it. Manga liner. Outstanding. Am I inspired? Well, I don't know if these colors go together, but I guess we'll just fill the page. Definitely not with that brush, it'll take forever. Alright, let's pause and come back with something to draw. Alright, so I am watching the Auburn LSU game on my computer here. Two teams I don't care about, but it's the only thing on. And it's football season, so I drew somebody running in, get a touchdown or something. I don't know. He's just running with the football. This pencil's really nice. It's really smooth. And it worked really good. I was surprised, kind of, because Mitsubishi made cars or makes cars still. I didn't think they made pencils. So with the red, I guess I don't think I'll make a red field, but we'll make a red uniform of some sort, and green grass. And I keep forgetting to find a binder clip, so I'm using a stapler to keep my book open. Stapler from high school. We essentially just got two colors in here, okay, I use a pencil, but this brush is so thin, I can use it in some of the fine detail areas, but it's not going to work well going in the other spots, so I'm going to try to use this brush too. That is, if I can get my hands around this tripod. Let's see. It's a little bit different watching through the phone what I'm doing here. It's an okay drawing, but I need black. And since it's Inktober time, we can use ink, right? So I'm just going to give it a nice little bit of an outline. With these pens from last month. Alright, well this has been the Artsnacks October 2021 unboxing and review. My review is, you know, I did really like this acrylic ink from Liquitex. It's good quality product, and it's got a dropper inside of the bottle, so it makes it easy for you to apply the ink to paper or to your palette or wherever you're going to put it. As you can see, that's what I use most for my drawing, because this brush was so small that I did use that for some of the detail parts, but you know, the ink would dry before I could even get my brush onto it. So, you know, I just went and applied it directly. The pencil is really good. It surprised me because I didn't think Mitsubishi made pencils or anything that it was art related. So that's pretty cool. This Manga paint marker, what do you want to call it? It's really fine tip, and it's nice metallic color, but it's like you're using a pen. You know, it doesn't really come out quickly. And I wish the tip was a little more flexible so I could make some different line widths, but you know, I got grass, so it's cool. Overall, it's not too bad of a box. I wish there was another color again, and you know, I don't need another pencil. And this brush, you know, if they use a cheaper brush, maybe there would have been another item in the box that would have been useful. But you know, Artsnacks the last year or so has been kind of going that route. They don't really throw a lot in there, it seems like. And you know, I had to pull out a black pen to give myself some outline and some dark areas, because you know, this red, yeah, I could build it up, but it's just not going to get there, and it won't blend with this red, with the green. You know, I tried it out on other paper and it just didn't blend. So, well, that's it. Thanks for watching my video, and check out some of my other ones if you haven't seen them yet. Subscribe if you liked it. Hit the thumbs up button. I appreciate you stopping by and checking it out, and have a nice day.